Have you ever wondered how to make money from home by making YouTube videos? Welcome to a world where creativity meets entrepreneurship, where your passion can turn into profit. Today, we're diving into the exciting process of creating YouTube videos right from your living room and earning money while doing so. We will walk you through each step, from setting up your channel to creating content, and finally monetizing it. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind a successful YouTube career. Why should one consider YouTube as a platform for earning money? Well, let's explore this. YouTube is a space where creativity meets opportunity. It's a global platform that reaches billions of people, making it an excellent avenue for income generation. Its influence is vast, and with the right content, you can tap into this potential. Think of it as your stage, your market, your canvas. Use it correctly and it can be a viable source of income. With the right approach, YouTube can indeed be a goldmine. The first step towards making money on YouTube is creating a channel. This is a simple process that anyone with an internet connection can do. Begin by signing into YouTube using a Google account. Once signed in, look for the user icon at the top right. Click on it and select Create a new channel. Next comes the fun part, choosing a unique channel name. This name should represent you and your brand, and it should be something that resonates with your target audience. Make it catchy, memorable, and easy to spell. Now, let's focus on the channel description. This is your chance to tell viewers what your channel is all about. Be clear, engaging, and concise. Include relevant keywords to increase searchability. And don't forget to add links to your social media accounts for cross-promotion. Remember, your channel is your brand's home on YouTube. It's a stage for your content and a platform for your voice. There you have it. Your very own YouTube channel is up and running. Content is king, and this holds true even on YouTube. The heart of your channel is the content you provide, and its quality can make or break your YouTube journey. Quality content isn't just about high-definition videos or professional editing, although they can add value. It's more about what you're saying, how you're saying it, and the way it resonates with your viewers. When you're creating content, think about what your audience wants to see, what they can learn from you, or what entertains them. But how do you create engaging content? It's simple. Be authentic. Your uniqueness is your greatest asset. When you're true to yourself, it shines through your content and connects with your viewers. Use storytelling techniques to keep your audience hooked. Incorporate humor, suspense, or educational elements into your videos. Another crucial aspect of content creation is consistency. Consistency doesn't mean you have to upload a video every single day. Instead, it refers to maintaining a regular upload schedule, whether that's once a week, twice a month, or even once a month. Consistency helps to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Also, don't forget to experiment. Try different types of content, different formats, and different styles. The more you experiment, the more you learn about what works best for your audience. Remember, your content will determine your success on YouTube. Now that you have a channel and content, let's talk about how to monetize it. The most direct way to earn money on YouTube is by joining the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows creators to earn revenue from ads displayed on their videos and from YouTube Premium subscribers watching their content. But to become a part of this program, you first need to meet certain requirements. You must have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Also, you need to comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines. Once you've met these requirements and have been accepted into the program, you can start earning ad revenue. You can choose what type of ads you want to display, and the revenue you earn will depend on several factors, including the number of views your videos receive and the demographics of your audience. But the YouTube Partner Program isn't the only way to monetize your channel. There are several other methods you can use to earn money from your content. One of these is through sponsored content. Companies might be willing to pay you to create videos that promote their products or services. Another way to monetize your channel is by selling merchandise. If you have a loyal following, your fans may be interested in buying products that are associated with your brand. You can sell a range of merchandise, from t-shirts and hats to mugs and phone cases. Crowdfunding is another potential source of income. Websites like Patreon allow creators to receive regular donations from their fans. In return, you can offer your patrons perks like early access to videos, behind-the-scenes content, or even a chance to participate in your videos. Remember, though, that monetizing your channel should not compromise the quality of your content. You should always prioritize creating content that your audience enjoys and finds valuable. Monetization is the key to earning money from your YouTube videos. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We embarked on an exciting journey, unlocking the potential of YouTube, a platform that's more than just a video sharing service. It's a space where creativity meets opportunity, and with the right approach, it can become a source of income right from the comfort of your home. We dove into the technicalities of setting up a YouTube channel. Remember, your channel is your brand, your identity on this vast platform, so make it unique, make it you. From naming your channel to refining your About section, every detail matters when it comes to attracting your audience. Then, we navigated the world of content creation. It's all about finding your niche, understanding your audience, and delivering engaging content. Be it tutorials, vlogs, music videos, or any genre you're passionate about, consistency and quality are the keys to gaining and retaining your viewers. And of course, we explored the monetization aspect. YouTube offers multiple ways to earn, be it through ad revenue, channel memberships, merchandise shelf, or YouTube premium revenue. But remember, monetization is not just about getting views. It's about building a community, engaging with your audience, and providing value that keeps them coming back for more. With persistence and dedication, you too can make money from home by creating YouTube videos. So what are you waiting for? Start your YouTube journey today.